This is gonna blow your mind. Imagine a place where pristine beaches meet lush jungles, a place where the natural beauty is so overwhelming it feels like a dream. The sun shines brightly, casting a golden hue over the landscape, and the air is filled with the scent of salt water and blooming flowers. Turquoise waters lap at volcanic shores, creating a mesmerizing dance of waves and rocks. The sound of the ocean is a constant, soothing presence, a reminder of the power and beauty of nature. This is Komodo National Park, a paradise hiding a fearsome secret. It's a place where the past and present collide, where ancient creatures still roam the earth, untouched by time. Within these idyllic landscapes roams a creature of prehistoric power, the Komodo dragon. These formidable reptiles have thrived here for millions of years, adapting perfectly to their environment. These are not mythical beasts, but living relics of a bygone era. Their scales are like armor, their eyes sharp and calculating. They are a living testament to the power of evolution. They are the largest living lizards, apex predators ruling their domain with an arsenal of deadly adaptations. Their saliva is a toxic cocktail of bacteria, and their bite can bring down prey much larger than themselves. Don't be fooled by their sluggish demeanor. Beneath their scaly exterior lies a cold-blooded killer. They can move with surprising speed and agility when hunting, and their sense of smell is incredibly acute, allowing them to detect carrion from miles away. In this paradise, the Komodo dragon reigns supreme, a silent terror in a land of beauty. For decades, scientists believed the Komodo dragon's kill was a result of bacteria in its saliva. The truth is far more sinister. These dragons possess venom glands, injecting toxins with every bite. This venom is a cocktail of proteins, designed to bring down prey much larger than themselves. It causes rapid blood loss, inhibits clotting, and sends the victim into shock. Death, when it comes, is slow and agonizing. The Komodo dragon's senses are finely tuned for hunting. Their eyesight is poor, but their sense of smell is extraordinary. They use their long, forked tongues to taste the air. This tongue picks up minute traces of odor, allowing them to detect carrion from miles away. More chillingly, it can also detect the scent of blood, leading them to wounded prey. Komodo dragons are opportunistic hunters. They have evolved to be masters of patience and precision, traits that are essential for their survival in the wild. These formidable reptiles can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh over 150 pounds, making them the largest living species of lizard. Despite their size, they are incredibly stealthy and can blend seamlessly into their surroundings. They lie in wait, camouflaged in the undergrowth, ready to ambush unsuspecting prey. Their mottled skin provides excellent camouflage, allowing them to remain undetected until the perfect moment to strike. This ability to remain hidden is crucial, as it gives them the element of surprise, which is often the difference between a successful hunt and an empty stomach. Their powerful legs can propel them in short bursts of speed, enough to bring down deer, pigs, and even water buffalo. These short, explosive sprints are a testament to their strength and agility. When they decide to attack, they do so with incredible force and determination, using their muscular bodies to overpower their prey. Their sharp claws tear into flesh while their powerful jaws deliver a venomous bite. The venom contains toxins that prevent blood clotting, causing the prey to bleed profusely. This combination of physical and chemical weaponry makes the Komodo dragon a fearsome predator, capable of taking down animals much larger than itself. The prey, weakened and bleeding, doesn't stand a chance. The initial attack may not always be fatal, but the ensuing blood loss and infection from the dragon's venomous bite usually seal the prey's fate. The Komodo dragon's hunting strategy is a slow and methodical process, relying on the inevitable weakening of its victim. The dragon, with terrifying patience, often follows the dying animal for days, waiting for it to succumb to the venom. This relentless pursuit ensures that the dragon conserves its energy while the prey becomes increasingly vulnerable. The Komodo dragon's ability to track and wait out its prey is a testament to its evolutionary adaptations, making it one of nature's most efficient and deadly hunters. Komodo dragons are survivors, perfectly adapted to their harsh environment. Their tough, scaly skin protects them from injury. Their powerful limbs allow them to navigate difficult terrain. They are strong swimmers, able to cross between islands in search of food. Their most impressive adaptation, however, lies in their blood. Komodo dragons possess a unique resistance to bacteria, even those found in their own saliva. This immunity allows them to thrive in environments that would kill other animals. Scientists are fascinated by the Komodo dragon's immune system. Their blood contains peptides with potent antimicrobial properties, capable of killing a wide range of bacteria and even some viruses. Understanding these peptides could lead to breakthroughs in antibiotic research. The dragon's blood holds secrets that could help us combat antibiotic resistance, a growing threat to human health. Komodo dragons are apex predators, playing a crucial role in their ecosystem. They keep prey populations in check, ensuring a healthy balance within the food chain. Their presence, while fearsome, is essential for the health of the entire ecosystem. However, human encroachment and habitat loss threaten their survival. As their habitat shrinks, encounters between dragons and humans become more likely, leading to potential conflict. Gap 2S. When it comes to hunting, the Komodo dragon is a master of stealth, speed, and strategy. These apex predators have honed their skills over millions of years, becoming some of the most efficient hunters in the animal kingdom. Gap 2S. With their keen senses, Komodo dragons can detect prey from miles away. Their forked tongues flick in and out, sampling the air for the scent of potential victims. Once a target is identified, the dragon's approach is careful and calculated. They often lie in wait, perfectly camouflaged among the dense foliage of their island habitats, demonstrating extraordinary patience. Gap 2S. When the moment is right, the Komodo dragon strikes with astonishing speed. Despite their large size, they can sprint up to 13 miles per hour, closing the distance to their prey in a matter of seconds. Their powerful legs and muscular build enable them to launch a surprise attack, catching their prey off guard. Gap 2S. The dragon's most formidable weapon, however, is its bite. Armed with razor-sharp teeth and potent venom, a single bite from a Komodo dragon is often fatal. The venom contains toxins that induce shock, lower blood pressure, and prevent clotting, causing the prey to bleed out or succumb to infection. Even if the initial attack doesn't kill the prey immediately, the dragon's persistence ensures a successful hunt. They will track their wounded prey for miles, waiting for it to weaken and collapse. Gap 2S. Komodo dragons are also opportunistic feeders. They scavenge carrion, using their keen sense of smell to locate dead animals from great distances. This adaptability in their diet ensures they can survive even when prey is scarce, further cementing their status as apex predators. Gap 2S. The hunting techniques of Komodo dragons are a testament to their evolutionary success. Their combination of stealth, speed, and lethal force makes them one of the most formidable predators on the planet. Understanding these behaviors not only highlights the incredible adaptability of these creatures, but also underscores the importance of preserving their natural habitats. Gap 2S. As we continue to study and protect these magnificent reptiles, we gain valuable insights into the intricate balance of nature and the vital role apex predators play in maintaining healthy ecosystems. The Komodo dragon's mastery of the hunt serves as a powerful reminder of the raw power and delicate precision found in the natural world. Gap 2S. The Komodo dragon's presence in its habitat is a dynamic and influential force, shaping the ecosystem in profound ways. These apex predators not only interact with their prey, but also with other wildlife, including potential competitors. Gap 2S. Komodo dragons are known to prey on a variety of animals, including deer, wild boar, and even water buffalo. Their hunting prowess ensures they maintain a significant role in controlling the population of these species. However, their interactions with prey are not solely predatory. Occasionally, they engage in a cautious dance, with prey animals developing strategies to avoid the dragon's lethal grip. This ongoing game of survival drives the evolution of both predator and prey. Gap 2S. In addition to their prey, Komodo dragons encounter other predators and scavengers within their habitat. Birds of prey, such as eagles and vultures, often compete for carrion, creating a tense atmosphere around a shared meal. Despite their size and strength, Komodo dragons sometimes have to assert dominance over these competitors, ensuring their place at the top of the food chain. Gap 2S. Interestingly, Komodo dragons exhibit a form of social hierarchy among themselves. Dominant individuals often control the best hunting grounds and access to mates, while younger or smaller dragons must navigate the fringes. This social structure minimizes conflict and ensures the survival of the fittest, perpetuating the species' genetic strength. Gap 2S. Juvenile Komodo dragons face unique challenges, as they are vulnerable to predation by larger dragons and other carnivores. These young dragons often take to the trees, using their climbing abilities to evade danger until they grow large enough to defend themselves. This arboreal lifestyle not only provides safety but also exposes them to a different array of prey and competitors, enriching their survival skills. Gap 2S. The interactions between Komodo dragons and other wildlife are a testament to the complex web of life within their ecosystem. Each encounter, whether with prey, competitors, or fellow dragons, contributes to the delicate balance that sustains their environment. By understanding these interactions, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate relationships that define the natural world. Gap 2S. As we continue to observe and protect the Komodo dragon, we must also consider the broader ecosystem in which it thrives. Preserving these interactions is crucial for maintaining the health and diversity of their habitat, ensuring that the Komodo dragon remains a formidable force in the wild for generations to come. Gap 2S. The Komodo dragon, with its fearsome reputation and awe-inspiring presence, has long been the subject of myths and legends. In the local folklore of the Indonesian islands, these magnificent creatures are often revered as more than just animals. They are seen as the embodiment of ancient spirits and guardians of the land. One such legend speaks of a dragon princess, Ratu Naga, who was said to have given birth to twins, one human and one dragon. According to the tale, the human twin grew up to be a great warrior, while the dragon twin roamed the forests and hills. The villagers believed that the dragon was a protector, and they would leave offerings to ensure their safety and prosperity. Historical accounts from early explorers and traders also contributed to the mystique surrounding the Komodo dragon. When Dutch sailors first encountered these enormous lizards in the early 20th century, they brought back stories of land crocodiles that could stand on their hind legs and breathe fire. Although these tales were exaggerated, they fueled the imagination of people around the world, cementing the Komodo dragon's place in the annals of myth and legend. The Komodo dragon's fearsome appearance and deadly capabilities have also inspired modern-day myths. Some believe that these creatures possess supernatural powers, such as the ability to hypnotize their prey or to heal themselves with ancient mystical knowledge. While these beliefs may not be grounded in scientific fact, they reflect the deep respect and fascination that humans have for these incredible reptiles. In the villages surrounding Komodo National Park, the dragons are still regarded with a mixture of fear and reverence. Elders pass down stories of dragon encounters and the lessons learned from them, emphasizing the importance of living in harmony with these powerful creatures. These stories serve as a reminder of the delicate balance between humans and nature, and the need to respect the natural world. The myths and legends of the Komodo dragon are more than just stories. They are a testament to the enduring impact these creatures have had on human culture and imagination. By exploring these tales, we gain a deeper understanding of the bond between people and the natural world, and the ways in which these magnificent reptiles continue to inspire awe and wonder. As we strive to protect the Komodo dragon and its habitat, let us also preserve the rich tapestry of myths and legends that surround them. These stories are an integral part of our shared heritage, reminding us of the magic and mystery that still exists in the wild places of our world. Gap 2S. While the Komodo dragon has thrived for millions of years, adapting to the harsh conditions of its island habitat, it now faces a new and unprecedented challenge: climate change. Rising global temperatures and shifting ecosystems threaten to disrupt the delicate balance that has allowed these apex predators to flourish. As temperatures increase, the islands of Indonesia are experiencing more frequent and severe heat waves. For the Komodo dragon, which relies on its environment to regulate its body temperature, these extreme conditions can be deadly. Prolonged exposure to excessive heat can lead to dehydration, heat stress, and even mortality, particularly for the young and vulnerable. Moreover, climate change is causing alterations in the habitats that Komodo dragons depend on. Changes in rainfall patterns can lead to droughts, reducing the availability of fresh water and affecting the growth of vegetation. This, in turn, impacts the populations of prey species such as deer, wild boar, and smaller mammals, which are crucial for the dragon's survival. With fewer prey to hunt, the dragons may struggle to find enough food, leading to malnutrition and weakened immune systems. Rising sea levels pose another significant threat. The low-lying islands that the Komodo dragon calls home are at risk of submersion, which could result in the loss of critical habitat. Coastal erosion and saltwater intrusion can also degrade the quality of the remaining land, making it less suitable for both the dragons and their prey. The impact of climate change extends beyond the physical environment. As resources become scarcer, competition among Komodo dragons may intensify, leading to increased aggression and territorial disputes. Additionally, changes in the ecosystem can disrupt the intricate web of interactions between species, potentially leading to unforeseen consequences for the entire food chain. Efforts to mitigate the effects of climate change on Komodo dragons and their habitat are crucial. Conservationists are working to protect and restore critical habitats, ensuring that these ancient reptiles have the resources they need to survive. Research and monitoring programs are essential for understanding how climate change is affecting the dragons and for developing strategies to help them adapt. In the face of this global crisis, it is imperative that we take action to reduce our carbon footprint and support initiatives that combat climate change. By doing so, we can help preserve the unique and fragile ecosystems that the Komodo dragon depends on. The survival of these magnificent creatures is not just a matter of scientific interest. It is a testament to our commitment to protecting the natural world for future generations. As we confront the challenges of a changing climate, let us remember the resilience and adaptability of the Komodo dragon. These ancient reptiles have weathered countless changes over the millennia, and with our support, they can continue to thrive in a world that is rapidly transforming. The story of the Komodo dragon is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and the urgent need to protect our planet. The Komodo dragon, with its fearsome presence and ancient lineage, has captured the imagination of people around the world. This apex predator has not only been a subject of scientific study, but has also found its way into popular culture, leaving an indelible mark on movies, books, and documentaries. From early explorers' tales to modern-day media, the Komodo dragon has often been portrayed as a creature of legend. Its sheer size, powerful build, and predatory prowess make it a natural fit for stories that evoke a sense of awe and mystery. In movies, the Komodo dragon frequently appears as a symbol of untamed nature and primal strength, often depicted in dramatic encounters with humans. One notable example is the 2004 film The Curse of the Komodo, where these reptiles are featured as genetically enhanced monsters. Although the film takes creative liberties, it highlights the fascination and fear that Komodo dragons can inspire. Similarly, in the realm of literature, these dragons have been depicted in various ways, from the deadly adversaries in adventure novels to the misunderstood creatures in children's stories. Documentaries, however, offer a more factual and respectful portrayal of these magnificent reptiles. Programs like National Geographic's Komodo King of the Dragons and BBC's Planet Earth have brought the Komodo dragon's natural behavior and habitat into the living rooms of millions. These documentaries not only educate viewers about the life of Komodo dragons, but also emphasize the importance of conservation efforts to protect their dwindling populations. In addition to visual media, the Komodo dragon has also made its mark in the digital age. Video games and virtual reality experiences often feature these reptiles as formidable opponents or as part of exotic wildlife settings, allowing players to interact with them in immersive environments. These virtual representations, while not always scientifically accurate, contribute to the growing awareness and fascination with Komodo dragons. The role of the Komodo dragon in popular culture serves as a bridge between science and the public, sparking curiosity and fostering a deeper appreciation for these ancient creatures. By capturing the imagination of audiences worldwide, these portrayals help to raise awareness about the challenges Komodo dragons face in the wild and the efforts needed to ensure their survival. As we continue to explore and celebrate the natural world through various forms of media, the Komodo dragon stands as a powerful reminder of the wonders that still exist on our planet. Its presence in popular culture not only entertains but also educates, inspiring future generations to value and protect the incredible biodiversity that shares our world. In the end, the stories we tell about the Komodo dragon reflect our own fascination with the natural world and our responsibility to safeguard it for the future. As we look towards the future, the fate of the Komodo dragon hangs in a delicate balance. These majestic reptiles, which have roamed our planet for millions of years, now face unprecedented challenges. From habitat destruction and climate change to human encroachment and poaching, the threats are numerous and daunting. However, there is hope on the horizon, thanks to the tireless efforts of scientists, conservationists, and local communities. One of the most promising developments in Komodo dragon conservation is the implementation of cutting-edge research techniques. Advances in genetic studies are providing valuable insights into the genetic diversity and health of Komodo dragon populations. By understanding their genetic makeup, researchers can develop more effective breeding programs and manage populations to ensure long-term survival. Additionally, satellite tracking technology is being used to monitor the movements and behaviors of wild Komodo dragons, offering a deeper understanding of their habitat needs and interactions with their environment. Conservation initiatives are also focusing on habitat preservation and restoration. Protected areas, such as Komodo National Park, play a crucial role in safeguarding these reptiles and their ecosystems. Efforts are being made to expand these protected zones and improve their management, ensuring that Komodo dragons have the space and resources they need to thrive. Local communities are being engaged in these efforts, recognizing the importance of their involvement in conservation success. Education and awareness programs are empowering residents to become stewards of their natural heritage, fostering a sense of pride and responsibility for the Komodo dragon's future. International collaboration is another key component of ongoing conservation efforts. Organizations around the world are joining forces to share knowledge, resources, and strategies. This global network of support is essential for addressing the complex and multifaceted challenges facing Komodo dragons. By working together, we can pool our expertise and amplify our impact, creating a brighter future for these ancient reptiles. There are also innovative initiatives aimed at reducing human-wildlife conflict. For instance, community-based tourism programs offer sustainable livelihoods for local residents while promoting conservation awareness. By providing economic incentives to protect Komodo dragons and their habitats, these programs create a win-win situation for both people and wildlife. Additionally, efforts are being made to mitigate the impacts of climate change, such as restoring mangrove forests and other critical habitats that provide natural buffers against environmental changes. The future of Komodo dragons depends on our collective commitment to their conservation. As we continue to learn more about these incredible creatures and the challenges they face, it is clear that proactive and collaborative efforts are essential. By supporting research, protecting habitats, and engaging local communities, we can ensure that Komodo dragons remain a vital part of our planet's biodiversity for generations to come. In the end, the story of the Komodo dragon is not just about a single species, but about our shared responsibility to protect the natural world. It is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and compassion, and a reminder that with dedication and perseverance, we can make a difference. As we move forward, let us strive to create a future where Komodo dragons continue to roam their ancient landscapes, a living symbol of the wonders of our natural world.